Well, this is Andy Dickson, the owner of Vulcan Water Products, and I'm here with Eric Baryza, the facilities maintenance manager at the Blake Hotel up at Taos Ski Village, 3 hours north of Albuquerque. And I wanted to show you, this is really just a sample of the amount of softened calcium crud that was clogging up their cooling tower that feeds a residence hall and an ice rink and some other outlets as well. It's right behind us, behind that wooden wall, but it's so loud we didn't want to get involved in that. But I'd like to introduce Eric to you. And Eric, can you tell us your story?
Yeah, my name is Eric Baryza, and like Andy said, I'm the senior maintenance manager on over here in Taos Ski Valley for the Blake Hotel and Residences. Over behind there we have a Marley cooling tower. It's a water-cooled tower. And it's been in operation for about 6 years now. I came into this position in the last 2 years, and we realized that it was getting clogged and pretty well coated with calcification, blocking about 60% of the airflow coming on in. Andy was kind enough to be able to let us borrow one as we're testing it on out right now and excited to buy it. And within the first 2 weeks, and we had tried previously to putting in a Vulcan system. We had tried treating it with CLR and soaking some of these overnight and had no success in being able to break it down. But with just the Vulcan system on our water piping on over there, in 2 weeks' time, I was able to start taking off some of the air fin channels, and with a brush and just by hand, this started to just absolutely release. And you can see how it was kind of originally coated on over there and stuck, and you can see it just cleanly was coming on off. I've never seen this come off on any type of scaling anywhere with any chemical, and we're doing it with just the water. So at this point, we're excited to be able to start continuing to work with Andy and add it to our other buildings. We have about 14 buildings here in the Ski Valley that we're looking to over the next probably year or maybe less to start adding them. At this point, I don't have a calculation on the energy savings, but I can say the amount of time it took us to release and remove all of this calcification in itself, and the amount of chemicals that I would have had to use, is almost equal to the cost in itself just to get to this level. Now, compare that over the next 25 years, that savings is unbelievably
huge,
amazing.
Yep.
And is one of the key features that I'm really excited for, not to mention how it's going to interact with our pumps, our hot water heaters, our individual water heaters. I'm excited to see a reduction in having to change out anode rods and tanks and reduce clog of any sort of mechanical pump or impeller that's in line with the water.
Well, that's great news, Eric. It's music to my ears, and I guess it's safe to say you are a satisfied customer?
I'm extremely satisfied.
All right. Well, thank you for your time, Eric. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Bye.